So today I will just be doing a simple little kind of a get ready with me, kind of just a simple everyday makeup look. This is the makeup look that I basically pretty much do every day. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so I literally, well, you'll see what I do. I don't do a lot of makeup, so hope this video is fun for you. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the video.
Boys, pussy, face bomb, ass tight, back step of shack, higher, jury on me, flashlight, I've been listening, starting chill, and I'm with that good, make a nigga act like, oh, boys, don't deserve no.
Damn, son, where'd you find?
What's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time.
I'm trying to change the shape of my eyebrow. I really like the way they look. So I'm growing them out.
Can't open up your mind if you let you can free your mind. 'Cause I know it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe now I'm so high. And now it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, now, girl, give it one night. If you just give it a chance, loving you is not my plan. 'Cause I know one day you'll see all the things that we can be. Oh, I know, it's over. I wanna be the only one. Oh, now I'm so high, so high, so but now I'm so now I'm so high. 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 Now I'm so high.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing till it slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. Because she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my age, it's an action. These days, no my age. Niggas be blasting, living in the mix of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I D.I.E.
This is the finished look. I've literally just threw my hair into this little ponytail. Especially with braids, I love to just chuck it into a little ponytail. Sometimes I do a half up, half down, but it's usually just a ponytail. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want a video of this hair, I can do that for you when I next redo it. So I hope you guys like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more like this. If you have any suggestion videos, drop them in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye.
I had a dream.